Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that brings you live action from the crazy roads. All the most epic, raging moments caught on BIKERS camera can be found right here in one place. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and hopefully you can learn from all the upcoming mistakes. So without any further ado, grab your snacks, sit back and enjoy today's episode. This biker was just minding his own business here and chilling when all of a sudden this crazy Dario in a pickup truck started following him. At first, the biker paid no attention, but after a while he realized that the driver would not step back, so he pulled over to confront him.
Let's see if we got some content for you guys.
When the pickup trucker pulled up to the biker, he noticed straight away that the biker had a camera mounted on his helmet, and he surely thought that all of his previous reckless driving was caught on it as well.
I think he f***ing gunned. We're gonna check the footage, man. I think that dude just flashed a gun at me.
Careless driver forgot to look at his mirrors as he changed lanes, and the biker almost paid the ultimate price for that. Luckily, an accident was avoided because of his sharp reflexes.
You're all good. Hey, be safe. He's cool.
Yeah, it's good.
This biker was not anticipating a move like this from the driver in a pickup truck. This guy cut across the road without any sign of looking or indicating. This has got to be one of the most careless drivers ever. Despite all the open space and nothing to block his view, he still pulled out in front of the biker and even tried to hit him head on.
NANI?! Never fails there.
Biker was in for a shock of his lifetime just around the corner when he noticed a driver in his own lane.
kidding me, bro? Try getting a road then, bell end.
It all happened just in a span of a minute or so, but this biker got cut off by two reckless drivers in a similar fashion. Neither of them was using the turn signals nor looking at their mirrors. We will never recommend you start changing lanes like the driver in this clip. Use your turn signals on time, and by all means, do check your mirrors before changing lanes. Now, if this isn't a close call, then I don't know what is. Check out how close this biker came to crashing, and all because a certain someone was impatient and could not look.
Shit!
Biker surely did not expect this cyclist to suddenly try across the road without looking. Crashing at this high rate of speed will definitely put both of them in hospital.
Very much for not killing me.
Pay close attention at this crazy lady in front of the biker. She could not stand the fact that another biker filtered in front of her, so she moved up and even made contact with him.
На камеру снято все.
This cyclist let another biker in front, which is really kind and cool of him. But just wait and see what's about to happen in a couple of seconds.
No. know, dude. Watching?
Out of all the things that are not desirable in traffic, stopping in the middle of a busy road and right behind a sharp corner is among the worst things a driver can do, not only for themselves, but for others as well. Biker came across a moped rider who was on the wrong side of the road, and of course, since the traffic was dense and with nowhere to escape, they collided head on and fell over. At first, it didn't look that serious, but boy oh boy was the biker mad.
Please hang up and try again.
रुक तेरी तेरे को दिख नहीं रहा बे तेरे को दिख नहीं रहा
दिख रहा नहीं थे क्या तो सीधी आ रही है गाड़ी
सीधी आ रही थी
और सीधी नहीं आ रही है गाड़ी और कैसी आ रही थी
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
उठा इसे
पहले छोड़
On the first look, there appeared to be no damage to the bikes, but when the biker saw underneath his bike, he noticed oil leaking, and that made him even more upset. And the raging situation continued. Check it out.
तूने वो गिराई अभी तेरी चाबी दे इधर
काय को दे चाबी
अभी उसमें कुछ लगा हुआ
को मारेगा काय की मारेगा
तू चाबी दे इधर पहले
चाबी चाबी काय चाबी है इसकी साले आ रहे हैं ऐसे सीधे सीधे यार देख तो लो पहले
तूने गिरा रहा गाड़ी दिख रहा तेरे को
तो ये लात मार देगा लात मार अबे लात मार देगा
तू ये बता तूने वो गिराई कैसे
अबे तूने कैसे गिरी मान तो महंगे ये भी महंगे है ठीक है ना वो मत दिखा
चाबी ले भाई इसकी मेरे को नहीं पता
Regardless of the situation, resorting to road rage is never a good idea. The whole incident could have been easily avoided if they were more calm about it. We do not condone actions like these, and we urge you to strive towards a more peaceful solution.
मिला दे 100 नंबर कर दिया मिला ले 100 नंबर मिला ले
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the fails and mistakes of these participants. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you have the chance to by simply watching? If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button as well. While you're at it, click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content as well. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.